There's an island in the Caribbean where boiling lakes bubble in the jungle, parrots outnumber beach loungers, and locals will straight up warn you, Dominica is not for lazy tourists. Welcome to the Nature Island. No, not Dominican Republic. This is Dominica, wild, volcanic, underrated, and it might just ruin every other Caribbean island for you. This isn't the kind of place where someone brings you a drink with a tiny umbrella. It's the kind where you hike 5 hours through rainforest across rivers, past steaming fissures, and then earn that rum punch at the end. Ready to get your boots muddy and your mind blown? Good. Because Dominica doesn't do passive travel. It does adventure. Let's get one myth out of the way. Dominica is not a beach vacation. Yes, it has beaches. No, they are not all pristine and white. Many are volcanic black sand crescents backed by cliffs and jungle, and that's exactly the point. This island doesn't dress up for anyone. Start in Roseau, the capital, a low-slung, colorful town wedged between mountains and the sea. It's chaotic, charming, and completely unpretentious. You're not here to be pampered. You're here to feel alive. Vendors shout, roosters wander, and Creole music spills from windows like it's always been playing. Dive into the old market for spices that smell like someone distilled the rainforest. Cinnamon bark, nutmeg, bay leaves. It's all pungent, messy, and honest. But don't linger too long, because Dominica's true magic is outside the towns. Let's go deep, literally. Morne Trois Pitons National Park is UNESCO listed and looks like Jurassic Park before the dinosaurs escaped. Think thundering waterfalls, fern-covered gorges, and lakes that literally boil. Yes, the boiling lake is a thing, and it's the second largest of its kind on Earth. To get there, you'll trek through Valley of Desolation where steam hisses from cracks and mud boils underfoot. It's eerie. It's exhausting. It's phenomenal. Midway through your muddy, epic, quick detour, if it's jaw-dropping landscapes you crave, from seaside cliffs to crater lakes, don't miss our guide to the ultimate Madeira Travel Guide 2025. It's Europe's answer to raw nature, and it might just wreck your travel bucket list all over again. But right now, back to Dominica. Enter the Waterfalls. Dominica is a waterfall factory. Emerald Pool is the crowd pleaser. Short walk, easy dip, surrounded by jungle. But if you want drama, hike to Middleham Falls. It crashes down 200 feet through a canyon so lush, it feels like a green explosion. Trafalgar Falls offers 2 for the price of 1. Twin cascades pouring into rock pools where hot springs bubble beside cold mountain runoff. Choose your temperature, or don't. Just soak and let the jungle echo around you. Speaking of hot water, Watton-Waven is a village that might as well be a natural spa. The ground here steams, bubbles, and sizzles. Locals have turned it into a geothermal paradise. Picture wooden tubs filled with hot sulfur water perched above the forest. It smells weird. It feels incredible. Hungry? Dominica eats like it hikes, slow, soulful, and full of spice. Callaloo soup, mountain chicken, don't worry, it's a frog. Saltfish with ground provisions, and breadfruit roasted until it's smoky sweet. Food here doesn't come with calorie counts. It comes with a backstory, and possibly a warning label. Now, let's talk about the other reason you came here. The water. Not just falling down cliffs, but surrounding the island in ways that'll have your jaw on the ocean floor. Champagne Reef is what happens when nature throws a party underwater. Tiny volcanic vents fizz around you as you snorkel, like swimming in a glass of Prosecco, only with more fish. Or dive into Scott's Head, where the Atlantic and Caribbean collide in a submerged crater wall. It's surreal, humbling, and maybe the best diving you've never heard of. And yes, there are beaches worth your towel. Badabu Beach is a jungle-backed dream you reach by a bumpy track and a short hike. It's not easy to get to, that's the point. Or go south to Soufriere Bay, where the black sand glistens like gunmetal and fishermen still fix nets under coconut trees. Need a breather? Cabrit's National Park in the north is your gentler option. Ruined forts, breezy trails, and ocean views that could make a monk emotional. Fort Shirley is the highlight. A restored 18th century garrison where cannons still guard the bay like the British might sail back any day now. And if you're looking to go full hermit, head to Kalinago Territory, the island's indigenous heart. Here, the Kalinago people maintain traditions older than Columbus's confusion. Buy handcrafted baskets, eat cassava bread, and hear the stories that predate every resort brochure in the Caribbean. Now, let's rewind the vibe. Because while Dominica is wild, it's not hostile. This island has a pulse, slower, steadier, deeper. People wave, kids say hi. There's no rush, no flash, no algorithm to chase. What there is connection. With nature, with community, with something ancient. And if you're thinking of staying longer, Dominica wants you to. Literally. The government offers a work-in-nature visa for digital nomads. Set up your laptop between hikes and hot springs. The Wi-Fi's solid. The views? Unreal. Quick tip before you book. Don't come expecting luxury. Come expecting realness. Dominica doesn't do infinity pools. It does cliffside cottages with frog choirs at night. It does mosquito nets, not minibar keys, but what it lacks in polish, it makes up for in soul. So, was it worth the click? Dominica is not your typical Caribbean getaway. It's not curated, filtered, or airbrushed. It's raw. It's alive. It's the kind of island that leaves you better than it found you. Whether you're trekking through the jungle, swimming with bubbles, soaking in sulfur, or just watching the rain fall like it means something, this place hits different. Come curious. Pack hiking boots. And if a local offers you bush rum in an unlabeled bottle, say yes. You're not here for safe. You're here for unforgettable.